So how you doing today? Today we have a really cool deal here from ADSR. This is their ADSR drum machine. You get all the expansion packs with it, plus the drum machine for one low price, plus a free plugin as they offer. And this month it is the electric keys from Karanyi Sounds. So check out the link in the video description below. Just real quick here, really cool drum machine. I made some other videos about it that go into further details of all the features and stuff like that. Some of the different expansion packs I have as well, and all that fun stuff. So you can check those out, or just go to their website and you can check it out here. They have 10 expansion packs with this bundle, and it's $49 for a limited time. And then I don't know how long this is going to be, so I'll put the link down below. You can check it out. They're always running some kind of deal though. Oh, here we go. 8 days. So not much time, but you don't know. It could be a different deal by the time you're watching this video. And I believe there's here we go. Here's the full details. 100 drum kits. Each kit includes 16 samples mapped out to pads, bonus samples, and so on. About 1,600 unique patterns, 200 royalty-free samples, so on and so forth. And just here's all the expansion packs, ambient moves, and so on. House party. Really cool drum machine that I've been using for a while. Like I said, you can check out some of my other videos to go through over all the details. I just want to make a quick video today and give them a shout out for the deal here. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.